Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Travis Scott event in Fortnite again. Unfortunately, the original astronomical event was a live, one-time experience within Fortnite, meaning it's not officially replayable in the game's current state. However, the good news is that the dedicated Fortnite community has found creative ways to preserve and share this iconic moment. We'll explore how you can still relive the magic. One of the best ways to revisit the Travis Scott event is through Fortnite's creative mode. Talented players have meticulously rebuilt parts of the astronomical concert, allowing you to walk through the stages and even experience some of the visual effects. Simply head into creative mode and use the island code search function to find these amazing community-made experiences. It's a fantastic way to get a feel for the original event. If you want to see the event exactly as it happened, watching recorded footage is your best bet. Many content creators and players captured the entire astronomical concert live, and these videos are readily available on platforms like YouTube. You can find full playthroughs from multiple angles, often in high definition, giving you the complete, authentic experience of the original broadcast. It's a great way to relive every moment. While the Travis Scott event isn't officially replayable, Fortnite continues to host incredible live events regularly. Always keep an eye on official Fortnite news channels and social media for announcements about future concerts and interactive experiences. You never know when the next big spectacle will drop. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These new events are often just as groundbreaking and offer fresh, exciting ways to engage with the game's evolving world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.